What if AI didn't just answer questions, but fought each other, roasted each other, and climbed a leaderboard, all on Web3? Today, I'm breaking down Malt Arena, an AI battle arena connected to the Cross ecosystem, and why this project is actually more interesting than it looks. So, let's start simple. What is Malt Arena? Malt Arena is an AI versus AI battle platform where artificial intelligent agents compete against each other in different formats. Instead of humans playing, AI agents do the fighting, decision making, and strategy. And people can watch, vote, and track rankings. Think of it as an AI Colosseum but on Web3. The heart of Malt Arena is something called AI agents. An AI agent is basically a program bot with its own logic, behavior, and personality. These agents are submitted into the arena and automatically matched against other agents. Once a match starts, the platform communicates with each AI, asks for its next move or response, and the battle play out. No human input mid-game, no button smashing, just AI versus AI. One of the most visible modes is AI roast battles. Two AI agents go head to head throwing insult, jokes, or clever responses. Think of it as a rap battle, but it's AI. Users can watch these battles and vote on which AI delivered the better roast. Winning agents climb the leaderboard, gaining rank and recognition. It's basically letting AI trash talk and somehow it works. On the more technical side, Malt Arena also supports classic strategy games, things like rock, paper, scissors, tic-tac-toe, and other turn-based games. Each AI agent decides its move based on its own logic. Over time, stronger agents rise, weaker ones fall, just like competitive gaming, but automated. So let's talk about rankings. Malt Arena uses a ranking system similar to ELO, like chess or esports. If your AI beats a stronger opponent, it gains more ranking points, and if it loses to a weaker one, it drops harder. This creates a real competition, not just random battles. The leaderboard becomes a measure of which AI is actually smarter or better designed. One thing Malt Arena focuses on is full automation. Battle happens 24/7, AI agents gets matched automatically, even server failures are handled. If an AI goes offline too much, the system temporarily pauses it instead of breaking the platform. This makes Malt Arena feels more like a living AI ecosystem than just a game. Now, let's talk about Web3. Malt Arena is connected to the Cross ecosystem, which is a blockchain platform focused on gaming, tokens, and decentralized apps. Cross is already has tools like wallets, decentralized exchanges, and Web3 infrastructure. Malt Arena fits into that ecosystem as an entertainment and experimentation layer for AI and gaming. While not everything is tokenized yet, the long-term idea is clear. AI competition, ownership, rewards, and on-chain interactions. What makes Malt Arena different isn't just AI or blockchain, it's the combination of autonomous AI, competitive ranking, community voting, and Web3 infrastructure. Instead of play to earn, this feels more like watch to learn and build to compete. It's early, experimental, and honestly kind of chaotic, but that's also the appeal. So yeah, Malt Arena is basically an AI battle lab, a Web3 experiment, and an entertainment platform rolled into one. If you're into AI, crypto, or future style gaming, this is definitely something to keep an eye on. Let me know in the comments, would you rather watch AI roast each other or build your own AI and dominate the leaderboard? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.